Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Axiory's news broadcast. My name is Sarah, and here is the latest high-impact market news for the 24th of January. U.S. stocks rose yesterday after benchmark indexes reached five-year highs as lawmakers voted to temporarily suspend the federal debt limit, and technology stocks rallied amid better-than-forecast earnings. The U.S. House voted to temporarily suspend the nation's borrowing limit, removing the debt ceiling for now as a tool for seeking deeper spending cuts. The measure lifts the government's $16.4 trillion borrowing limit until the 19th of May. It goes to the Senate, where Majority Leader Harry Reid said lawmakers will pass the measure unchanged and send it to President Barack Obama. North Korea threatened to conduct a nuclear weapons test targeted at the U.S. after the Obama administration pushed through new United Nations sanctions against North Korea for last month's rocket launch. The U.S. Security Council imposed additional restrictions on North Korea on the 22nd of January, prompting a vow from the regime to expand its nuclear capability. Leader Kim Jong-un has worked to bolster his legitimacy since inheriting his position from his late father in December 2011 by continuing a military-first policy while seeking to boost an impoverished economy. Now let's look at some important events for today. At 1:30 p.m. U.S. jobless claims, and at 3 p.m. U.S. manufacturing PMI. For the 24 hours, euro stayed almost flat against the dollar. The International Monetary Fund decreased its growth forecast for the world economy in 2013. In a key development, the U.S. House of Representatives approved a legislation to enlarge the debt ceiling until the 19th of May 2013, thereby giving more time to U.S. leaders to discuss about spending cuts issue. On the economic front, Eurozone's consumer confidence index rose above expectations in January. Investors await the manufacturing and services PMI in the Eurozone later today. In the U.S. investors' eye, the manufacturing PMI and the initial jobless claims due later today. During yesterday, the dollar strengthened against the yen. In its monthly economic report, the Japanese Cabinet Office stated that the government has upgraded its assessment of the economy for the first time in 8 months. It also stated that the government has vowed to eliminate deflationary expectations and avoid further decline of economy with prompt and flexible economic and fiscal policy management. Data released this morning suggested that Japan's merchandise trade deficit narrowed in December but did not meet the market expectations. Investors expect the CPI and Bank of Japan monetary meeting minutes. Both will be released later today. Finishing up our broadcast is the multi-trader section. Today's strategy is Traders Cup Ultra, which is one of the average risk strategies. It made a 2.67 profit last week, and today we have chosen its most recent ratio of currency pairs traded to give you more insight into the performance characteristics of this strategy. In this month, this strategy has traded mainly the sterling-dollar pair, as you can see from the chart. This pair makes up 67% of trading, with another 18% belonging to the United States and Canadian dollar pair, and the rest of the time it uses euro-dollar, euro-yen and dollar-franc pairs in 15% of trades. All of the strategies with information about performance and other characteristics can be found on our website. That's all for today. Have a great day trading, and don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Twitter. Bye-bye.